I am in the basement. In the basement of Snickers Gaming. And what is he doing? He has a little Lego pole there. I'll let it slide. What are you trying to do? Also, he has this cool block here.
My sock block.
Yeah, sock block. So you can like drop the magazine out. Here's the magazine of his sock block.
It's the socky blocking.
Socky blocky. Socky lock.
You know the Elon Musk.
The Elon Musk. Is that an actual thing?
Yeah, it is. It is. It works. Put the block down.
Put your hands up in the air.
No, I didn't load it.
Put your hands up in the air.
Still not load the shelf and everything else.
Oh, it fell out.
Hey Jackson, pick that up and put the gun down.
Wait, what's that 2 or 3?
It was 3.
Where'd the other one go?
You put the gun down.
That's pretty neat. So yeah, that's his sock lock review. I'd say looks cool, 10 out of 10 coolness.
10 out of 10.
And functionality, I'd say it's a 10 on functionality. Yeah, the magazine comes out. You see all its bullets, shells, whatever the heck they are. Pretty sure they're shells of bullets. Cartridges. Then you can pull it back and pew pew pew. Yeah, it's pretty neat. And he has some of these guns are his, some of these are his friend's guns. So it's like this one. I don't know what that is, and he has like a Roblox jailbreak pistol, a Zero X shot here. Currently using a jailbreak Roblox gun to make a shotgun. Kinda looks like a shotgun. Hold on, does this walk on the camera? Oh my god. It walks on the camera. Kind of. It kind of walks on the camera. Hey, which way does it go? Big end or small end fast?
Small end.
Small end? Okay. Yeah, and then he has like a bunch of guns there, a gun there. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that these are some of his Lego creations. I'm pretty sure that's why he actually filmed the video of that. Took him a lot of hours, so maybe you should go watch that instead of thinking that it's a bad video, because he took hours watching it. Go watch it, please. Because he walked really hard on it, so please.
Garbage videos that she spends 1 minute working on.
Yeah,
and he spend months. She gets more views.
Yeah, and it's actually a pretty good video if you pay attention. Like, so yeah, go check out Snickers Gaming's mini war video. I actually watched it, and it's a pretty neat video. Did really good on it. Yeah. Now let's have another gun review. So, say that this gun is pretty good. Wouldn't you say this gun's good, James?
That's the remote.
No, it's a gun!
That's the
See?
remote.
See? Look, it's a gun.
You're very dumb.
James, look. Pew, 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 pew. I'm kidding, I know it's a remote. It's not a gun, it's a remote. I'm bored.
I'm ready to use it now. I should probably test shot this thing first, but that's good. From a slight angle. Yeah. Let's go down to this. Jackson.
Yeah.
Let's go. Help him.
Good shot.
The sight's absolutely useless now, though.
How'd you put Lego legs in there?
No, I put it on hinge.
Oh. Take a look at this. He used Legos, tape, and cardboard, and a gun to make a better gun.
I just wanted to make it a break action.
Love action,
Break action.
big action. Take a look at that.
Okay.
I have an idea. That's gonna wait until next video.
So NERF 1, Jack. Come on, use the NERF 1.
Yeah, we can do an off one in a minute. I'm gonna end the video, so make sure to check out Snickers Gaming. And is there anything you want to say, James?
You want murder?
Yeah, so make sure to subscribe to Snickers Gaming.
You have to spell it out, Jackson. They don't know what to do. They'll take it up right.
SN1K.
Yeah.
Then 3R5 space gaming, and then you'll find it. Make sure to include the space, or else you'll just end up with his sister's channel. Like his thing won't appear anywhere. It'll just show up with videos that
sister's channel is no work in it put into it. It's not worth it.
Yeah, so check out his channel, SN1K3R5 GAMING, and make sure to subscribe to both our channels. And just because I'm nice, I'm gonna say to maybe subscribe to my friend Demond Gamer 11. Actually, don't. But yeah, I'm not gonna spell his channel because I don't know how the heck it's spelled. It's just a bunch of random letters that supposedly spell echo. No, they don't. He doesn't know how to spell.
You can't even spell.
Shut up. So that's the end of this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.